So now I'm going to talk about the flowchart that I made for one mean z-test. Okay, again, you're going to run a one mean z-test because your population standard deviation is known. So what you're going to do is gather up the following information and fill in the blanks. So you're going to have your population mean, population standard deviation, sample mean, sample size, level of significance, and sample standard deviation. So you might not have to use your sample standard deviation, but if you have it, it's a good thing to have. And I'm just going to put a blank in here so you can see where to put it. So you might have a sample of data that you don't originally know your sample mean, sample size, or sample standard deviation, but you will get it once you put the information either in the calculator or the website. All right, then you're going to determine your hypotheses. Remember, you can always start with your alternative if that's easier, and then finish with your null. Put your information in the calculator or the website. Let me put both because you can use either or. You're going to get your z-test statistic and your p-value. And then from there, you're going to make your conclusion. If your p-value is less than or equal to the level of significance, reject your null. If your p-value is greater than your level of significance, fail to reject the null. And then you're going to make the proper conclusion using the original claim. Remember, you want to see if the original claim was what it was and if it was true or false. So that's really what we're doing. You don't have to print this out, but this might be a good guide for you when you're doing problems in your notebook. And I would encourage you to do the problems in your notebook, again, because you can use them on your test and you'll have a flow and you will have learned how to understand them.